So 1, 2, 3, 4 is about the cadence that you'll need to free pour.
Expert how-tos.
Sometimes when you're busy making a cocktail at home, you don't have time to use a jigger. So you have to free pour, or sometimes you just don't care about measuring. But if you want to free pour and have a proper measurement, there's a few things to keep in mind. There is no correct cadence to counting as long as you're consistent for yourself every time. If you want to master the count, you can think about the ambulance in the UK. So, nanner, nanner, 1, 2, 3, 4, should be about an ounce. Let's see how we did. Almost perfect. If you want to count again, you can go to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That should give us 2 ounces now. So we have 1 ounce plus 1 ounce. Let's see how we did. Almost perfect. Cheers.